engage our practice and just relax for a moment. This is a time in our practice where we meditate. If you're new to meditation, don't worry about it. Just close your eyes and relax. Just breathe. It's like I tell my daughter when she says, I can't fall asleep. I'm trying, I can't fall asleep. I said, you don't have to try. Just close your eyes, breathe. You don't need to fall asleep. Just close your eyes and breathe. So here we are. This is our time of practice together, our time of mindfulness, our contemplative part of the service, where we come together to contribute to each other and the field around us, where we come together for the practice known and utilized in saints and sages and sacred beings throughout time, but so often overlooked in our daily lives. And we have the honor to come together in ritual and to practice together. To lend each other the regulation of our sacred nervous system and our practice, the gifts of our own individual practices, of everyone in this room and everyone joining together in mind online, so that we may all be raised a bit higher. If you've ever walked into a church and just felt a holy silence, an old church that's been there for a long, long time, and you could feel how many prayers have been said there, how many intentions have been launched, how much silence and stillness has been held. There is a reverence there. It's the same reverence in an old growth forest. When you stand by a tree that has rings and rings and rings and rings and rings, that remembers history and has witnessed generation after generation, creation after creation. There is a silence. There is a reverence. Together we take a deep inhale and a collective exhale as we enter the silence together. Open the heart and clear the mind. Bringing our attention back to this time and space. Inhaling and exhaling as if the breath is moving through the heart itself, creating coherence in mind, body, spirit. Engaging your practice in gratitude. Gratitude for the lives we've been given and the time and the form we give this life. By the power of this practice, may all beings have freedom from suffering and the causes of suffering. May all beings know God as love and themselves as emanations of this love. May all beings know that we're born blessed and here to be a blessing. Namaste.